Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of 602 Outdoors. Today we're going to show you how to install a AR-15 dust cover. The reason I'm changing this is 1, I want to stick with the flat dark earth theme, and 2, this one's boring. That's fine.
That's awesome.
Oh, what was the last thing I said? Oh. Okay, go. That's another reason I'm going to change this. Well, on this side, oh, fuck this video. On this side, this will be tan, or flat dark earth, flat dark earth, flat dark earth, flat dark earth, flat dark earth. Oh. Okay. What's the last thing I said? To start off, there is no bullet in the chamber. We are safe, and there is no mag in the gun. What you'll need to complete this process is some masking tape and some needle nose pliers. So we're going to start out by putting some tape on the lower receiver of the gun so when we pull this pin out, it doesn't scratch up the lower receiver. Although a couple scratches wouldn't hurt the gun, we are going to take some precaution here. I'm going to put a second layer right here because the farther you pull the spring out, it gets caught on the forward assist, and I don't want it to dig into the lower receiver like I said. And here we have the flat dark earth dust cover. I got the standard flag in flat dark earth, and on both sides it has that, but on the inside it is reverse. This is the inside that faces the bolt carrier, and this is the outside. I bought this from customardustcover.com. The link will be in the description if you guys want to get yourself one. I bought it for $28.98 after shipping, and that includes it getting Cerakoted. So without further ado, let's get started. So what you want to start out by doing is there's a C-clamp. So what you're going to start out doing is there's a C-clamp right here on the end of the rod. And you're going to take your needle nose pliers. You're going to take your needle nose pliers. Thank fuck for editing. You're going to take your needle nose pliers and pull out the C-clip. And when it's not being a fucking bitch, make sure you keep that part in, Corey. Grab your pliers and pull out the fucking C-clip. Grab your pliers and pull out the fucking C-clip. I did this 100 times off fucking camera, and I did, as you can see, I'm scratching the fuck out of this pin. Why can't I do this on camera?
Just salute.
No.
Just relax and just do it.
I don't understand here. So once you got your C-clip out, it looks like that. Stick that somewhere where it's not going to get lost. And now you're going to push out the pin towards the lower receiver. And take your spring out, and only pull it out till it's just barely. Take your spring out, pull this, Set that old one off to the side. Now you're going to grab your scratched up pin and place it back in where you pulled it out from. And the side with the rivets is going to go towards the barrel, the flash hider side. So you can put your C-clip back on. Push it out a little bit, like that. Grab your new one. And push it out just a little bit, like that. And when you go to put the spring on, you're going to have the short side towards the pistol grip and the long side towards the... You're going to have the long side of the spring towards the right side of the gun, the barrel. And what you're going to do is tensionize it. So pull the fuck off and talk. Find your words, Dalton. I haven't done anything all day. You'd think you'd be just fucking fine, but what's the problem? Come. So you're going to tensionize the spring. And put the short side in, the left side, and not fucking like that. This was so much easier off camera, dude. I can't even fucking talk.
I could make a whole video of bloopers of this, and this is great.
What the fuck's going on here? Tensionize your spring and put it back like that, and push the pin down the dust cover. Line this up so the pin can go through the other side. Push the pin through so you see the clip on the right side where you pulled your C-clip out of, right there. And you're going to take your C-clip, put it on the end of your needle nose. And you're just going to clip it back on to that little rivet and not fucking drop it. Can you make a video of just me cussing?
Yeah, I'm gonna.
That would be fucking sick. Okay. Thank fuck for editing. Push it back on the clip right there. Just like that. With that installed, you can take off your tape. And you see, we have a functioning dust cover. A couple things about this dust cover from CustomARDustcover.com. It comes with 3 different options when you're checking out. I got the standard flag on the inside and the outside. You can also get the standard flag on the outside and the reverse flag on the inside. So the stars would be on this side. Or you can get the reverse flag on the outside, which the stars would be on the right side, and the reverse flag on the inside. I chose the standard on the outside and the standard on the inside. I chose the standard on the outside and on the inside. It also, another optional while you're checking out at CustomARDustcover.com, it offers the pin, the clip, the C-clip, and the spring. They offer 10 different colors you can get your dust cover Cerakoted in. I chose Flat Dark Earth, obviously, and the Cerakote costs $13.99. So like I said, I paid $28.98 for this dust cover, and that included shipping, tax, and the Cerakote. Now the purpose of this is to obviously keep dust out and protect it. The purpose of this dust fuck! Hey, Mr. Fucky, find your fucking words. Purpose of this dust cover is obviously to keep dust out and protect the bolt and anything, preventing anything going into the bolt carrier and bolt. So with that, guys, this wraps up this episode of 602 Outdoors. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe for more content. We appreciate the view, and we'll see you in the next episode.